नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबको अपना चैनल क्विक विन एनालिसिस पे। Everyone are gonna tease you till you reach your position. Once you reach your position, everyone will tell you, I told you right, you're the best. And when you fail, they are gonna tell you, I told you right, don't go so much. Yes, यही होता है दोस्तों लाइफ में. When you succeed, everyone will be behind you. When you fail, no one will be behind you. So that is okay my dear friends, because yes, this is all about life. लाइफ में ये सब होता है दोस्तों. So to overcome all this, I have some 10 tips for you guys where you can be successful in your life, in your work, or the things what you want to do or what you want to achieve. So first success mantra I would like to add is focus on your commitments, not on your motivation. मतलब see, if how committed are you towards your goal? Are you really ready to sacrifice something to achieve your goal? Because it's very important my dear friends. बिकॉज आपको कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना भी पड़ता है. ओके ना, सिर्फ पाने के लिए यू कांट सिंपली बी लाइक 100% मुझे मिल जाएगा 100%. आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, यू विल नॉट गेट दैट. व्हेन यू हैव सम कमिटमेंट, 100% डेडिकेशन, फोकस टवर्ड्स द मेन गोल एंड द रूट यू चूज हाउ टू अप्लाई दैट टू get that main goal, that is very important in life. So it is really necessary how you are committed towards your goal. Are you ready to sacrifice something to, in fact, to achieve that goal? And what is your willingness to get that goal? That is very important. People may demotivate you at times. They may tell, अरे भाई ये तो हो नहीं पाएगा, this may is not possible from your end. Definitely you should motivate yourself in that case. हो जाएगा. You don't go with people's motivation. You motivate yourself and have 100% dedication towards your commitment. That's all you need to do. First mantra. Second mantra is seek your knowledge, not result. It is really important how, if to achieve any goal or anything in life, it is really important that you keep improvising the thing, experimenting the new things, take little bit risk factor in your in your achieving goal, so that it will be more exciting for you and more interesting. And when you try new things, definitely there are high chances to achieve your goals more successfully. See, don't go 100% behind results, because result may not favor you all the times. It is the way, the path you choose, how you find your results, that is very important, because you can learn from that mistakes also. You take everything as learning, not as a result orientation. So your path or the route which you choose towards achieving your result is very important. So seek knowledge from each and every step you do while gaining your goal. So and after this, next success mantra is get rid of staggering thoughts. because अगर कुछ करने के लिए गए तो यो हमारे दिमाग में हज़ार चीज़ आते हैं. अगर ये हो जाएगा तो कैसा होगा यार, दिस में हैपन एंड 10 people will suggest you something else. भाई ये क्यों कर रहे हैं भाई, तुम ये करने से पक्का आपका फेल्यूर होने का चांसेस है, ऐसा मत करो, ऐसा करो. बट दिस ऑल थिंग्स in your mind will create lot of fumbleness and lot of confusions. So आपको क्या करना है, you remove all, kill all your negative thoughts. why you can't think ये भी हो सकता है, this is possible. when negative can be possible, 200% I can suggest you positive तो होता ही जाएगा, होना, it will be 100% possible positive things. So think about positive, kill all your negative thoughts. ये करूँगा, मैं करके दिखाऊँगा, never, doesn't matter even if I fail once or twice, but I will do this. You can see in lot of the people who have achieved in their life, that might be scientists or business people, because once they fail, twice they fail, there are so many people where you can take motivation from. They never give up. So it is really necessary you always have a clarity in your mind with positive thoughts, not with negative thoughts. Because if you go with negative thoughts, there are full chances you may not be able to achieve your goal or target whatever you are doing. Have a feeling that you will do it, then definitely you will have that confidence भी रहेगा आपको. That's the reason, have positive thoughts in your head or whatever. Believe in your ideas and it is the best. If you think something you can do or you can achieve 100%, दोस्तों, you have to stick with it. अगर if I think I can do something, I will definitely stick with it. For example, if you are doing some project work or something, or might be some YouTube channel, हो सकता है you may not get a view in your YouTube channel, and if you are new, or if you may not find a subscriber, बट एक वीडियो से कुछ नहीं होता है मेरा दोस्तों. यू शुड कीप डूइंग न्यू वीडियोस, यू शुड कीप ट्राइंग थिंग्स, यू शुड ट्राई कीप चेंजिंग द कंटेंट्स. करता रहो, सो डेफिनेटली विल फाइंड द सक्सेस. इफ इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट इफ यू आस्क अरे भाई मैं ये कर दिया कैसे होगा, सो पीपल विल डेफिनेटली टेल यू ये नहीं हो पाएगा भाई तेरा हाथ में. सो डेफिनेटली यू गेट डीमोटिवेटेड. सो यू हैव 100% बिलीफ ऑन वॉट यू आर डूइंग and have commitment towards that, and you work hard, definitely you will be able to succeed in what you're doing. It is damn sure, I can guarantee you, if you have belief in your ideas and if you work towards it with your 100% passion and dedication, definitely आपको आपका टारगेट हो पाएगा. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आई कैन नेक्स्ट सक्सेस मंत्रा इज डोंट गिव अप. हो सकता है एवरी टाइम यू मे नॉट फाइंड द पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट, देयर माइट बी यू मे इवन fail in your mission. So that doesn't means that everything you are lost, because you take learning from that and try it again freshly. Where you failed, which parameter you failed, so that you can keep learning. Failure is the step of learning, dosto. It is not, failure is not a permanent failure, it is a step of learning. So always never give up. Once you failed also, retry it. There are so many people's example. Elon Musk you can take, he retried so many times and he's finally succeeded. He's one of the top businessman right now. Same thing with Bill Gates you can take, Dhirubhai Ambani. There are so many successful person who never gave up. अरे मुझसे होप नहीं हो पाएगा, nothing like that. हो जाएगा, मुझसे हो जाएगा. एक बार फेल हुआ, doesn't matter. I will try once again. I will try hard. I will bounce back hard. This is what you need to have in your head. And next is, don't waste your time, my dear friends. Time को waste मत करो. Time lost will never return back or never come back. So अगर एक टाइम पीछे चला जाए तो वो टाइम आपको नहीं पाएगा. Once you are a kid, again if you want to be now you are in adult, अगर आपको kid वापस kid होना है तो आपको नहीं हो पाएगा. The days you lost will never return back. Giving this example, I will tell you, you have to plan your schedule accordingly. If you are doing some project or some you want to achieve your goal, then definitely have some space for that, have some time for that. दिन में इतना hour I'll work on that, 2 or 3 or 4 hours I'll work hard on that, I'll research on that. Same way, don't waste sleeping, chatting, all those things. Have some commitment towards your goal, then definitely don't waste your time. This is for this Bill Gates also told, never waste your time, because time is really precious. This is what I am also telling you guys, don't waste your time. If you're doing something, work on it, have some planning on it, and execute it accordingly. And don't fear for a change. Life में बहुत कुछ changes होता है मेरे दोस्तों. Don't ever get fear for a change. Today because experimenting something new will always give you a change. So never get fear for a change. Second thing what I am telling you, अगर fear से डर लगता है तो आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कभी हो नहीं पाता, क्योंकि शॉक होता है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से. अगर थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन ने सोचा होगा मेरे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनाने से सबको शॉक हो जाएगा, पीपल मर सकते हैं, इन दैट केस किसी को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं मिलता. ही थॉट इसमें से बहुत सारे अच्छे चीज़ हो सकता है, बिजली आ सकता है, फैन चल सकता है, टीवी चल सकता है, इंटरनेट चल सकता है. इसीलिए so you need to keep thinking on positive side, not on negative side. That's what I'm trying to say you guys. Having said that, I'm ending my videos. Thank you very much guys for watching my videos. If you like my video, please एक like तो बनता है दोस्तों, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.